Guard Archaeology undertook major archaeological investigations ahead of the construction of the A75 Bypass in Dunraget. The Dunragit Bypass threaded its way past 3 scheduled monuments, 2 of which are crop mark sites. Drumflower Bridge consisted of a large pit enclosure with Pit Avenue, and around half a kilometre further east, the Dunraget complex consisted of a similar ceremonial enclosure with Pit Avenue, some of which has been investigated. Dates for the activity here range from the early Neolithic through to the late Neolithic and then early Bronze Age. Adjacent to the Dunraget complex is Drockdule Mound, which has also been dated to the late Neolithic, early Bronze Age. The archaeology at Dunraget was found across 11 main sites along the route. Some of the highlights of this were the earliest Mesolithic structure in southwest Scotland at West Challock, Bronze Age funerary complex at Borland Cottage Upper in East Challock, and an unenclosed Iron Age settlement at Myrtle Cottage. At West Challock, one of the structures discovered was dated to 6640 to 7060 BC, the earliest Mesolithic structure in southwest Scotland. Aside from the Mesolithic structure, there was an extensive flint scatter. Here we recovered over 15,000 lithics. Having mapped these, we were able to discover areas of knapping, giving us an insight into the daily lives of the inhabitants. At the Bronze Age cemetery complex, we had over 40 cremations, some within urns, some within pits, and some within ring ditches, and all of this overlay a much earlier post-hole alignment dating to 3800 BC. Nearby to the main cemetery complex, we discovered 3 burial pits. No human remains survived, but some of the grave goods did, and this included jet jewellery, one of which was a set with a necklace and bracelet combined, and these were also accompanied by elaborate ceramic vessels such as this food vessel. Analysis and dating of the burial pits and the cremations revealed that there were 3 phases of activity: the burial pits dating to 2200 BC, unurned cremations dating to 1800 BC, and urned cremations dating to 1300 BC, showing that this area was used repeatedly over many centuries. At Myrtle Cottage, the unenclosed Iron Age settlement, the first of its kind to be investigated in this region, we encountered the remains of 8 Iron Age roundhouse structures. Some of the roundhouse structures were very close to each other, raising the question of whether some of these were contemporary. Dating of the structures showed that they were occupied in the last 2 centuries BC into the first 1 or 2 centuries AD. Bayesian analysis of the dates showed that the likely time span for occupation here was between 130 and 300 years at 95% probability. 2 of the significant finds from the Myrtle Cottage investigations were a Romano-British fibular brooch and a penannular brooch, both of which date to around 100 AD. The investigations at Dunraget have revealed significant new findings, data and information to benefit our understanding of the Mesolithic through to Iron Age periods in this region, and as such it is deserved of the title The Prehistoric Heart of Galloway. You can learn more about the findings by downloading for free the book and booklet from the Dunraget blog on our website.